This is Himanshu Shah, CEO and founder of Enzigma. I'm going to present docuWeaver today. docuWeaver is a document generation tool. Today I'm going to show you how to generate professional and accurate documents using docuWeaver within minutes. As docuWeaver is capable of getting the data from multiple systems, here I'm going to show you the demo how to create a document using Salesforce. Go to the App Exchange and search for docuWeaver and install docuWeaver from the App Exchange. So first step is to create a dataset. Dataset does a job of getting the data from your Salesforce and other systems to be used for the document generation. Create a dataset and choose the connection of Salesforce. Once that is done, you have to choose a primary object, which will be like your base object for your document. Once that is done, you need to add the relationships in the dataset. That is, like if your primary object has children, you can add multiple relationships, so you can get the multiple records of your children into the primary object, which you can use in the document generation later. You can also add like separate models to get the data from unrelated objects. What this means is, let's say you are getting a record for order and order items, but you want to show suggested products, which is like a global suggested list of products. In this case, you can also get such kind of objects. Field tagger is a helper tool to create your Word templates. So what you do is you create a Word file with the contents you need, like for the a template. Like let's say you want to generate an order summary, so it will have your address, billing address, shipping address, whatnot. And then you have to use the field tagger to put the tag in the right place in the Word, using which docuWeaver will know where to fill in what data. So what docuWeaver will do is take the tags from the Word and replace it with the data from the dataset and generate the document for you. So there are various types of tags supported by document template for the docuWeaver. So simplest is like just a field placeholder where it will replace the value of the field. Second is the repeater. So if you have, or loop for that matter. So let's say you have order and order items. So there will be multiple order items which you want to show in the table. So you can use the loop tags. So you put the start tag before the table, and in the table you put all the fields of the order items and then the end tag. So the whole table will repeat. So conditional tags is like that particular text or image will be displayed only if the condition you have given matches with the dataset data. Another powerful feature is formula tags. So formula tags are something you can create in the dataset, like today's date or combine multiple fields. So various formula tags are supported, and that also you can use in your template. Once this Word template is ready, you need to upload it to the docuWeaver as a document template. So to do that, first thing is you go to the document templates. There you create a new document template where you choose the dataset you created earlier, and then upload this Word template you have created and save the document template. What does this action group do is, like you create the action group and these buttons will show up in your Lightning page. So for example, I want to generate a document for the order summary. So on the order Lightning page, I'll show this action group where there will be multiple actions. And now user can choose one of the actions to do the document related actions. There are various types of actions you can take, but in this case, because you want to just generate a document, we will add an action group for the order. You can label it whatever you want. That's totally configurable. You can use the variant to brand the button the way you want it, which is visible to the user. And then you choose the action type as generate document. The next step is depending on what you want to do, right? So if you want the admin only to decide what action user will take, you can choose admin define, or you can choose a user defined if you want user to choose one of the actions he can take. So for example, there, as I said, various actions can be taken. So it can be, once you generate a document, what do you want to do with that? So it can be simply you can just download the document, or you can attach the document to the record of the order, or you can even send it by email. So there are various actions you can take. So let's say if you choose the admin define, then you can choose only one action which will be taken automatically once the user clicks that button. So in this particular case, I'm going to use user define, and I'm going to put like multiple actions which user can take. Next step is which documents you want to generate on this action. So you can actually add one or more templates in the action. Now for each document, in fact, we can create multiple document groups. Now what is document group is, for one document group, there can be multiple templates, and that particular document group will have some conditions. So that document, sets of documents in that document will be generated only if the condition given in the document group matches with the data set. So I can add like a document group without any condition, which means it will be generated in any condition. It will not try to match any condition, or I can give a specific condition. This way I can create multiple document groups with multiple document templates, and each group can have their own condition. And once this is done, I can save this, put the action group into the Lightning page. So I'll go to the record page of order and look for the docuWeaver action component. Once I find that, I'll just drag and drop it to wherever I want in the Lightning page. Generally, we put it on the right top corner because that's where most of the Salesforce users find it. Once you drop the component, you need to go to the configuration and then choose the action group you had created for the order object. Once this is done, you can save the Lightning page and you're done. You're ready to go. Now you will see the actions you had created in the action group in the order page as a user. Now you can click one of the buttons you have created and it will show you the templates which are matching the criteria which you had given, and now user can choose one of the templates and he can take one of the actions he wants. So this way you can give the full flexibility to the user what he wants to do. Other option would have been admin defined, where admin could have chosen one action, and in this case when user will click the button, it will take that particular action on all the matching templates. So for example, I have like 3 templates and the condition matches with 2 templates. When you click on the download button, it will simply generate all the documents in both the document groups, and it will be available for download. So this way, not just you can create one document at a time, you can generate multiple documents. So that's how quickly and easily you can generate the documents using docuWeaver. Efficient, accurate, and effortless.